How to open an HTML file in Chrome browser. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about how to save a HTML file and then open it using the Chrome browser. So first of all, you can open any IDE of your choice or open the notepad and write down your HTML code. I'll be using Visual Studio Code to create the HTML account or file. So open the IDE and type the basic code. After that, save the file into HTML file. If you have already set the default file for HTML as Chrome browser, then there is nothing to do much. You just have to double tap on the HTML file and it will open in Chrome browser. However, if it has not been saved that way, right click on your HTML file and you will see the option of Open With. Tap on it and you will see different browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and other store. Tap on Google Chrome and this way you will see that the page will open on the Google Chrome. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.